This is the Headless Professor video series, and today we're talking about Abraham Maslow's theories and what they say about religion. Maslow is most famous for his pyramid hierarchy of human needs. Maslow thought that the physiological needs take priority. Before we can move on to the higher levels of need, we have to satisfy these physiological needs: hunger, thirst, pain avoidance, and sleep, temperature maintenance, and so forth. Only after we solve these physiological needs do we become concerned with the next level, safety needs. After we've satisfied that level, we go up and meet our needs for social contact and belonging to a group. After we've met that need, we can worry about our self-esteem. After we've met that need, we go up to the highest level of the pyramid, self-actualization, where we can be self-motivated, creative individuals, fulfilling our innermost potential. Maslow's pyramid has been applied to management and marketing theory, but today we're going to look and see how it would apply to religious phenomena. And the simplest way to describe that is to say that religion deals primarily with these highest levels of need, and it tends to symbolize the lowest levels of need. So religion does not directly give us food or shelter, but if you look at religious symbolism, it often uses symbols and metaphors to describe how it can meet our needs for things like bread, water, and shelter. The same thing is true with the next level of safety. We find a lot of metaphor of how religion is going to meet our safety needs, provide us a safe place and protection. Then when we get up to the higher needs, we find that religion actually does provide some sustenance for those needs. For example, when we are part of a religious community, such as a congregation or a monastery, there's a great deal of our social needs being met. Other people who interact with us, people that we can trust, people who are nurturing and supportive. Religion then also meets our self-esteem needs by giving us an important role and sense of accomplishment within the religion. It also tends to remove a sense of guilt that might diminish our self-esteem. We know that we are loved and accepted by a deity. But Maslow thought that the greatest contribution of religion was at this highest level of self-actualization. Maslow was very interested in the mystical experience, especially the kind of experience that Zen Buddhists might have. Maslow referred to these experiences as peak experiences and noted that they had many characteristics of a self-actualizing experience. If you have any questions or comments about these videos, contact me. My students have an authorized email address for them to use, but if you're not one of my students, you can contact me at brink@usa.com.